Today I'm going to share how to make money on Quora with no money. So pretty simple. So for this method, what do you not need? Well, anybody can get started with this. You don't need any experience. It can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world. You don't need skills, lots of money, basically, if you're willing to put in some time and effort with what I'm going to teach you today, I can pretty much guarantee you will start to make some money online. It'll just take some time and consistency. Now, please make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll show you exactly, step by step, how this works. I'll also share some of my own results with this. And then once we've gone over that, I'll share with you a really awesome hack. And basically, you can pretty much skip out a lot of the work, so it's all free stuff as well. So if you're excited for this, please give the video a like. If you could drop a comment down below, I'd really appreciate that. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. So enough rambling on from me. Let's jump into today's video and I'll show you this really cool method to make money on Quora. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share this really awesome method with you to get started using Quora, and as I've mentioned, you don't need any skills or experience and you don't even need money for this. All you need is a little bit of time and consistency. Now, if you don't know what Quora is, it's basically a huge question and answer site. So people ask questions and then helpful people go ahead and answer them. Now, I used to do this method, what I'm going to be sharing with you today, probably about 3 years ago, maybe 2 years ago. Now, personally, I do not answer questions on Quora anymore. Why? Because I outsource it. I genuinely just don't have the time to sit and answer questions anymore. So I outsource this. However, let me just share this with you. See all of these answers on here. So people have asked these questions on the platform here. I've given an answer to this, and Quora is still bringing me in traffic every single day. You can see here in the last 30 days, the answers I have written on the platform has generated 3,800 views. I've had one upvote and for some reason 2 people have shared them. And you can see the number of views on the answers every single day. But like I say, I've not been on this platform or used this personally for a long time. So look at this one here. How do I get free Udemy courses? If I click on here, it's had 569 views in the last 30 days. But when did I answer this? Let me go ahead and show you this. August the 21st. It's had 2,000 views on that question there. So go back over here and found another one. What are legit paid survey sites for Pakistan? I genuinely don't even remember answering that one either. Look at this. This was in July 2017, yet it still had 258 views in the last 30 days. And where am I sending that to? Oh look, I'm sending them over to my blog. If I come over here, is it really possible to earn online? Let's have a look at this one. 129 views in the last 30 days. Click on here. 2018. So again, I've done the work once previously. That work I've done is bringing me in passive traffic to my blog website, basically wherever I was sending the traffic to. So this one here, I'm sending them over to a blog article. So this is one reason why I recommend this platform over here. In fact, let me go to my profile and I'll show you the last time I answered a question on here. So I've got 2 from September, 1 from August, and then it's back in 2019. So I think these ones here was when we was doing a YouTube video and I was showing you, how to use the platform and how to go ahead and answer questions. But so other than that, nothing. So 3 questions answered this year, and then we're back into March 2019. So a long time ago. But as you've seen, go back over here, go to stats. Sorry, it's lagging a little. Oh, goodness me. Why has it done that? Yeah, so stats in the last 30 days. So this is one reason why I recommend you to use Quora, because it's essentially passive. You've done the work once and you're going to be generating traffic and income for a long time. So the first part of this whole process is we're going to need a product, aren't we? We're going to need something that we can market or share. So let's go and find a product, because what we're going to do is we're going to get a product, we're going to go then find people asking questions around that topic or category, and then we're going to answer a question. Once we've answered the question, I'll show you this really awesome hack that you can use, which means you do not have to create a YouTube video, you don't have to create a blog or a website or anything like that. It's pretty cool. So first of all, let's go ahead and find a product. Now, let me give you another tip. If you was just sat scratching your head thinking, well, I don't know what product to go into, I don't know what category to market, etc., just go on Google and simply type in best topics. Oh no, sorry. Let's go to most viewed topics on Quora. Let's go to that. And this will give you some sort of indication as to, I'm just reading these articles. This will give you some indication as, which threads and topics are the most popular on Quora. So, yeah, what is the most followed topic on Quora? So, come down here, look. Technology, music, health, food, science, etc., etc. So these are the most popular ones in here. And look, you could niche this down further. You could go with cooking, design, fashion, writing, any of these here. So these are the most popular ones. If you click on more, funnily enough, it'll show you more categories. But look, marketing. So basically, go through this list here. And once you've decided on something on here, look at this, entrepreneurship, etc., go over to this website or any affiliate website. This one here is ClickBank. It's free to get started with. Create an account, come up here where it says marketplace. Then on the left hand side, just go and find a product, and you can go through this list here and just pick one basically. And then once you've decided on any of these niches here, money, restaurants, whatever, go over here, find a product in any of these niches. So you can find people, this is very popular on Quora. Cooking, you can find people asking questions in the cooking niche, but just go ahead and find one. So we will stick with let's go and find one about money. Marketing and sales, let's go with that one. That seemed a bit of a popular one, didn't it? Look at this one here. What is that? I can't even read that. Hidden business ideas letter. So you're going through on here and you're finding a product that you want to promote. Well, I want to just go with this one. Let's just go with something generic like affiliate marketing. So we've come up here, look. What is this? Live marketing, affiliate marketing training. This here is $437 that you will earn on a conversion. So if you want to basically have a look at the product that you're going to be recommending and sharing, you click on here. You can go and look at the sales page. So this here is the sales page. Pretty long, it looks okay. So that there is where you'd be sending people to. If we go back over here and click on, normally, so you see here where they have an affiliate page. If you click on there, on any of these ones here, so let's just go with this one here, for example. Oh, this is John Cristani's one, isn't it? Go on here, you will find, this is the 12-minute system. You'll find lots of, tools and resources that you can use on here to promote a product. So let's just go with this one here. I know that this product here converts pretty well. So you find a product that you want to promote, and we'll go back over here. So we've got our sales page. We've got our, I'm going to get rid of that one. We've got our, that is our JV page. What is that? I don't even know what that one is. Let's go back over here. come down here, e-business and marketing, back into affiliate marketing, and we were looking for this one here, 12-minute affiliate system. So if I click on there, it takes me over to the home page, the sales page, sorry. This is the sales page of where you'd be sending people, okay? So we've got our sales page, and we have also got our JV page, and this is basically where we can find, you know, more information about marketing this and tips and other bits you normally find, email swipes on here, and lots more. So once you've got your product, we're going to go back over to Quora, and let's just type in affiliate marketing. Now look at this. How can I start affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? How do I? So all of these here, all of these questions, you can answer these and link to the affiliate products that you're promoting, but not in the generic way, the normal way, whereby you just send them over to the sales page, because Quora don't like that. You can use a really cool hack, and I'll show you this in a second. So let's say we wanted to answer this question here. What is affiliate marketing? I'm going to click on here. And look, you'll see lots of people have answered this below.
Tell them where to deliver.
So you want to go ahead and answer this. So we click up here where it says answer, and you'd answer the question. So affiliate marketing is XYZ, etc. You'd put in your answer here. Then you would say, I found this brilliant article which explains everything. Okay? So, what's the next step? The next step is we're going to go onto Google. I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing, and we're going to find a blog or an article. It's normally Neil Patel's. Yeah, look, Neil Patel. This here is a great article. Look, affiliate marketing made simple, a step-by-step guide. So we're going to click on here. And this here is where we would be sending people to. And you might be thinking, well, why on earth would I send someone over to Neil's article here about affiliate marketing? How am I going to make money with this? Well, we're going to leverage off Neil's website here, and we're going to use this as the authority on the subject, because Neil is, and you know, his website is absolutely awesome. But this is how we're going to use this hack that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So I've copied the URL of this article here. Then we're going to use this free piece of software, and it's this one over here, and it's called snip.ly. Okay? Click on got it. Now this is a new account. I have another account, but for the purpose of the video I wanted to just walk you through the process of how it works. So you come over to this website here, snip.ly. It's absolutely free to sign up, and you see up here where it says enter a URL. I'm going to click on here and click in paste and click on create a snip. Okay. Now, you see on the left hand side here, you've got a couple of options. So the first one is you've got this here. This basically, it just pulls in your profile picture from, you know, I think that's my Facebook picture. So you can go ahead and change that, and I'd recommend that you do change that. Now here, you see where it says message. This would be the message down here. I'm going to go with the fastest way to start affiliate marketing. Okay? I missed out the A in there. Click here. Check this out. Okay, and you can see as I'm typing here on the left hand side, it's changing over here. And then you see here where it says button URL. Well, this here is the affiliate link that we got from ClickBank. So if we go back over here, go back over to ClickBank, and we click on promote. This here is our affiliate link. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come here, I'm going to go back over to Sniply, and I'm going to paste that in here. And then I'm going to click on Snip.
someone else creates the sales website, someone else processes the payments,
and then this here,
someone else handles the customer.
if we just copy that
In
and go
theory,
back over
making
to
money with affiliate
Quora,
marketing should be pretty easy. Because
and I'm just literally going to paste this in it like that, look. Then watch what happens. Affiliate marketing made simple, a step-by-step guide. So in the eyes of Quora, I'm not spamming, I'm not sending people over to an affiliate link, I'm not, sending them over to any dodgy websites, I'm sending them over to a high authority website related to the question which has been asked. The difference here is, instead of them going directly over to Neil's article over here, they will still land on this one, but if we just go over to Sniply and copy this, click on go to, watch what happens here. So it's still on Neil's website, but you see down here, oh sorry, let me get rid of this. See this down here, look, the fastest way to start affiliate marketing, check this out, and look, it stays there the whole time. So it's just a great way that you can do affiliate marketing, leveraging websites and niche blogs and other bits, and it's all relevant to the product which you're promoting. And it will stay here, and anyone clicks on here, look what happens, it sends them over to the sales page, it's tracked via the cookie back over to your affiliate account over on ClickBank, and you make a commission every time somebody signs up for this. So this software here, it's like I say, it's free, so it's called snip.ly. Create an account, and then that is basically the whole process. So we use Quora and we use Sniply, and we just go and find questions, we answer them, and then we put our links down here. And you're not going to get in trouble for this. You're not spamming the platform, you're going ahead and literally, someone here, what is affiliate marketing? Do you think they're going to find this article here by Neil, useful, relevant? 100%. They really are going to, because it's on page 1 of Google. It's a great article, and it's very, as I mentioned, it's very relevant to the question what they're asking. So this is just one way that you can make money on the platform Quora. And as you've seen here, you don't need a blog, you don't need a website, you don't need anything. You just need the free accounts. You need the Sniply account and you need the Quora account. And that is one way that you can make money with affiliate marketing. If you're looking for more resources to make money with affiliate marketing, go over to my blog, Not Taught at School, come here where it says make money, affiliate marketing. You'll find lots of articles. This is a great article. And then if you also go to courses, I have also got a free affiliate marketing course. But look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.